Today we're going to install this new intake variable valve timing solenoid on this 2016 Chevy Cruze. Alright, so here is the old one. You can see all that gunk on it. And here is the new one. Here is the part number. And this is pretty cool. It came in a nice airtight baggie. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And they even provided a new screw to go with it, or bolt. Alright, there it is. And AutoZone told me that this is the same solenoid for the exhaust as well. So it's one solenoid for intake and exhaust. So let's go ahead and shove the new one in there. Let's grab our new replacement bolt to screw on. Doesn't really make a difference, but let's go ahead and first things first, let's actually clean this up first. Alright, there it is, nice and clean. So now let's go ahead and put in the new solenoid into place and just work that bad boy in there. There it is. Now let's go ahead and put in the new replacement bolt into place. The way I usually like to do it is grab my magnet, put it on the bolt, and then put the bolt into place. Alright, so the magnet was not working out for me this time, and the reason I don't like to do this is because I'm at the verge of dropping it. Alright, and there it is. I started to work it in, so I'm going to go ahead and drive it all the way in. And we're using a 1/4 inch socket to drive this in. And let's go ahead and secure this down. Perfect. Plug in the pigtail, secure the little latch, there it is, and we're set. And that is how you install the new intake Vvt Solenoid on this 2016 Chevy Cruze. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.